In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Piece of Cake bundle. This card has a fun triple layer cake, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to start with this strip of 1-inch paper, and I've got some Memento black ink, and I'm going to stamp the stand, the cake stand. And the reason why I do this is because it's easier to punch these images out when they're on a 1-inch strip. And then last of all, happy birthday. And I'm going to stamp that over here because it looks like I've got some ink on the strip. Sometimes I get ink on my fingers from opening the ink pads. Okay, so carefully I'm going to close this. All right, so I'm going to color the cake stand and the cakes first. So the cake stand I'm coloring with Smoky Slate Dark on the left first. And you can color and then punch out, or punch out and then color. It doesn't matter, it's up to you. Whatever you would like to do is fine. So I'm going to go back over the dark to blend in the color. And then for the bottom of the first cake, I'm going to color the light Bermuda Bay on all the dots and the bands. There we go. And then I'm going to punch everything out using the Cake Builder Punch, which comes in a bundle with the Piece of Cake stamp set. So you have a variety of cakes and cake toppers and sentiments, and you've got the punch to punch out all your cakes and your cake stand. So it's a really fun bundle, and if you purchase them together, you get 10% off. And this bundle is retiring, so you want to purchase it within the next 6 days because it'll be gone. So go to my website, elainescreations.net, and if you enter this hostess code, I will send you a free gift. So I'm just going to insert this into my punch, and you see how easy using a strip of paper makes punching. So I'm just going to insert this in the bottom, do the bottom, and then I can insert this part. Hopefully there's a little bit for me to grab over here. Sorry if you can't see. This would be better for left side, but there we go. So I've got all my pieces. So now I'm going to stamp. I need to stamp one more thing in black. I need to stamp Cut the Cake on this stitch nested label. And now I can put dimensionals on everything. So first I'm going to build my 3-layer cake, and very simply I'm just going to add adhesive to the top of this layer and then place this cake on top, and that's how you get a multi-layered cake. Very easy. You could do as many layers as you want. That would be super fun to create like a 5-layer cake or a 6-layer cake. I might have to do that. I might have to see how many layers I can create. So now I'm going to add the cake stand just above the Cut the Cake. And we'll add our 3-tier cake. There we go. Super cute. And then before I place this down, I'm going to mark where the top of the cake is, and I'm actually going to add some candles. Forgot that I wanted to add that. I think that'll be kind of fun. Whoops. So this stuck to me. So hopefully I line that up right. Yes. Nice. And then I can color in those candles with a little bit of yellow. So that'll be fun. So now I'm going to use some fun polka dot ribbon. It matches really nicely with this Birthday Bonanza Designer Series paper, which is also retiring. You definitely want to check out the last chance products because a lot of the Designer Series paper is on sale for half off. So like for $5 or $6, you can get 12 sheets. No, is it 12 sheets? 12 sheets, 6 designs, double-sided, which is a huge bargain. So I'm going to tie a knot first for my bow. And then we'll tie our bow. Super cute. And then we'll just trim a little bit of this and attach this to our Bermuda Bay card base. There we go. More ink. Ink, ink, ink. All right, so now we can add our stitch nested die with some dimensionals, of course. We'll just slip that in by the bow. And there we go. Here's our card. What do you think? I hope you like it. I'm offering a piece of cake class with 6 cards. This is one of the designs that I showed you today. So if you're interested, let me know. My email is elaine@estampin.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my website, elainescreations.net. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.